Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ilyas from the Department of Education, Hazara University, Mansara. As you know, we have been discussing the concept of bullying in school, and in my previous two presentations we talked about the causes of bullying and the consequences of bullying. Today I'm going to talk to you about what could be some of the things that we can do in order to counter bullying in schools. So let's begin. Um, the question that we need to ask at this stage is who can help in countering or eliminating bullying from schools? The first thing is that there are four main stakeholders who can play their role in countering bullying. The first one is the school administration. The second one is teachers. The third one is parents, and then, of course, the students. Now, what can the school administration do? The school administration should, in my view, the first thing that they should do is that they should be aware of the issue. In many cases, maybe the school administration is not aware about the issue. The second thing is that there should be a clear policy regarding the issue in the school. The third one is that the school administration should make sure that every teacher knows about the policy about this bullying issue. The next one is it should be made sure to remind teachers about the issue in the beginning of every academic year. So this persistent reminding of teachers is quite important in creating awareness and eliminating this issue. Then the next one is that there should be a monitoring system put in place, which should consist of the school administration, the teachers, and a proctoral board of the students. So this monitoring system, the placement of this monitoring system is quite important. Then the second kind of stakeholders, the teachers, who are very important in countering bullying. What should teachers do? The first thing is that teachers should have awareness regarding the issue, like the school administration. Similarly, the teachers should be trained, motivated to recognize the issue. And then the teachers should actually keep an eye on possible instances of bullying during and after classroom teaching. In many cases, bullying actually takes place between the interval between two classes or after classes. And then one of the things that teachers should do is that they should take every instance of bullying seriously. Nothing is trivial when it comes to the issue of bullying. So, in some cases, teachers do not take an incident related to bullying seriously in the beginning, and that later on becomes very serious. Then take action or report the issue to the administration. So this is something that the teachers should do as well. And one very important thing that the teachers can do beside all these others is that they should involve parents if the issue does not get resolved on the classroom level. So in many cases the issue is complex. There are stubborn students with stubborn behavior, and in that case it is quite important that parents are involved in dealing with the issue. Then we come to the next stakeholders who can play their role in countering bullying are parents. So what should parents do, or what should be the kind of involvement that is required from them? Number one is that they should be made aware by schools. In many cases, parents are not aware about what is happening in the school, or what is happening with their children, or what their children are doing. So this is important. The second one is that they should keep an eye on the behavior of their own children. So it is also the responsibility of the parents to keep an eye on the behavior of their children. Keep in touch with the school regarding their children. Have more friendly, close relationship with the children. In many cases, it happens that because there is a distance between parents and children, so children, even if they are suffering outside their home in the schools, they do not report that to their parents. And that's why close, friendly, frank relationship with children is quite important on the part of parents. Then the parents should also encourage children to approach them if they are in trouble. And the last one in this category is that parents should discourage any bullying behavior among their own children. And so, because parents know the most about their children, many cases what happens is that they can actually watch the behavior of their children at home, and they can think of what the children can do when they are in the school. So if there is a kind of indication of bullying among children at home, this is something that the parents should discourage. And we come to the last category of stakeholders, the students. What should be done in this case? So the first one is that there should be a system of monitoring involving students. As a matter of fact, students, especially inside the class or outside in the playground or in the laboratory or library, wherever, students get most of the chance to actually monitor the behavior of other students as compared to teachers. And so in many cases, students know more about the act of bullying than teachers or the school administration. Then suspected bullies should be monitored and discouraged because they are also students. The next one is that victims should be encouraged to report acts of bullying and to come out of their shells. This is one of the biggest reasons for bullying, that the victims do not have the courage to actually report bullying because the bullies threaten them that there will be consequences if they do this. So there should be a system of encouragement, and the victims should also be reminded that there is no shame in reporting bullying and that it is harmful to keep silent. And the last thing is that victims should be ensured protection from any harm if they report. This is very important because if there is no protection system, it will be unlikely for the victims or those who suffer bullying to report it to the teacher or to the school administration or to their parents. I hope this you will find this presentation useful. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to give your questions or comments in the comment section. Many thanks for watching. Take care.